guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans. If you are not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am doing lots of fun stuff this year in 2024, starting with a crowd favorite, which is planning my monthly spread. So starting out strong, going with some blue snowflakes, and then I am embarrassed to say I don't know how to say this word. I think it's cyanotype. I have no idea, but there's like really rich blue stickers all throughout this book, and it worked out perfectly because there's also blue metallic in it as well. So I try to use as many of the stickers that have the blue metallic in it as well. I feel like it looks kind of silver on camera, but all of it is blue. So I feel like it's super fun. It goes together really well. It goes with the state of the weather around here. Although we have not had any snow in North Carolina, it's been snowing everywhere else. So I'm like, all right, let's go with that. Okay, so y'all seem to really love anytime I show decorating my monthly. I love decorating my monthly. I think it's so much fun. I love it. So as you can see on the left side, what I try to do ahead of time is I get like a scrap sheet of paper and I number all the way, each day of the month. So in this case, I did 1 through 31. And then I look on my phone. Yes, I do use my phone. And I put everything that's going on throughout the whole month. So like on Wednesdays, my husband has a basketball game each evening right after work. And then like on Fridays, I put the new week old that my daughter is. I'm still doing that for her first 1 year, for her first year of life. And then like trash day, and then dentist appointment, all the things. And then, oh, of course, my husband's traveling schedule. So that's always changing. So sometimes I put it in ahead of time. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I wait until, most of the time I wait till after, because it just changes so much. His travel schedule is so crazy. But I went ahead and put in the one that already happened because, it already happened. And I did something a little bit different this time. I went ahead and wrote in, so I didn't necessarily make it a before the pen. So I thought y'all might enjoy that. I sped it up super quick. I love watching people write. I don't know if y'all do too. Let me know. But I went ahead and put in the things that I already knew going forward. And then once the month goes on, then I can fill in more and more detail. Wherever I have open spots, I try to put stickers because I love no white space. I love it. There's all these letters at the back, and I really wanted to use them, so I thought it'd be cute to put like a no work day. I thought it was going to take up more space than it actually did, which is why I whited out the Martin Luther King Day, but whatever. We're just going to go with it. I also really don't necessarily like the holidays that are already written in. I like to put my own stickers with them. So like for New Year's, I'm surprised I didn't already put a New Year's Day sticker in, but I also whited out the International Sticker Day, and then I wrote it in myself, like that. I like my own stickers or my own handwriting to make it personalized. And this is the only sticker page that I'm using out of that winter book. So I went ahead and pulled the whole thing out because I want to use the entire page. And I used those big snowflakes. I tried to cut one in half and then put it in other spaces. And then I realized that they are like on the same row, and that's just not very satisfying. So I tried to move one up a little bit. It still kind of seems a little cut and paste, if you know, but I may end up moving that one a little bit. So finishing out that sticker page, I tried to cluster them together. So in spots where I already had snowflakes, I try to like put a big one, a medium, and then a couple small ones just to make clusters. I really like how that feels. It feels very balanced. So, all right, that is going to be it. It's all done. Let me know what y'all think of these voiceovers, if they're kind of annoying. Like, I don't know if I want to invite that question, but if you think I ramble a little bit too much, if you just kind of want more details about the stickers themselves, if you want to know about my process, what I'm thinking when I'm doing it, I don't know. Let me know. I try to keep it real with y'all, but let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.